Today I'm going to show you how to make butternut squash soup. There's lots of ways to make it, but this is such a simple way and my family loves it. I'm going to first roast my butternut squash. To make it easier, instead of cutting it, I'm just gonna make some slits in it so that the steam can release. I have some time in the kitchen where I'm gonna be doing some other things, so I'm gonna pop this in and let it roast like this. You can always cut it in half even after it's roasted for a little bit and it's softened, easier to slice. If you want it to go a little bit faster, cutting it in half will make it go faster, of course. But like I said, I've got some time in the kitchen, so I'm just gonna pop it in. I'll probably let it roast for about an hour or so, and then when it comes out, it's really easy to peel. Looks perfect. I'm gonna get this peeled and ready to puree. We're starting off with our roasted butternut squash. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a couple cups of warm water. I am a vegetarian, and so I don't wanna use chicken stock in this. And unless I made the vegetable stock, I prefer not to use vegetable stock because it can really change the flavor. So we're gonna start off with just water. I'm gonna do a decent amount of salt and pepper. There's only 4 ingredients in this, and squash can get kind of like a squashy flavor. And if you don't have enough, seasoning, it can really kind of just lack. So I always start off with a decent amount, and then you can adjust it later. All right, that's a little thick, so we're gonna go ahead and add another cup of water. And you can choose how you want to kind of finish it off. If you want to use some heavy cream, I actually like to use a little bit of cream cheese. I like the texture. I like that it adds a little bit of tart flavor to it, and I kind of just prefer that to the heavy cream. All right, so season to taste, and that is all there is to it. It's super delicious and great to have on hand throughout the winter. And one of my favorite things about this soup is you can warm it up and drink it right out of a mug.